Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist, and today I'd like to give you a few tips about character design. How to create a character, no matter what type, that will stand out and make people notice. Be kind of memorable. It's not always what you think. A lot of times, I'm starting here with a construction. A lot of times, people draw some sort of interesting eyes, very interesting eyes. Maybe kind of a kooky chin, and maybe a mouth expression that's different. They combine it all together, all these different things, and it doesn't have any impact. No impact. What went wrong? Well, what went wrong is that you try to have everything have impact. And if everything has impact, nothing's going to stand out. You need things to not stand out in order to have something stand out and make your character known for something. So we're going to do that today, and you'll see when we get to it. You'll get it right away. But I'm just laying the groundwork here, and this is the template for your features. And I'm going to have this character, which is going to be kind of a tween-age girl, looking straight at us. Here's some nice big pupils. I'm going to erase the edge here, bring that down a bit to match the first one. Now you might say, well, okay, looking straight ahead, but these eyes are going a little like this, and it's exactly right. A character that looks straight ahead has eyes slightly toward each other. If they're straight ahead like this, right in the middle, it'll look like the character is stunned. So it's just a little tip about how to focus the eyes. Focus for eyes is everything. All right, so we've got pretty much the pupils there, and little eyelashes, bit of eyelashes floating off the eyes. Make an energetic character. Here's the nose, the tip of the nose on top, and the covers on the outside, and small nostrils underneath. That's a cute nose. Here we go. And how about some eyebrows? Way up high, kind of looking surprised. But when we have a smile, it'll be energetic looking. Watch. We'll bring that smile down here. I always suggest starting with the line that separates the top lip from the bottom lip. It acts like an anchor. It gives you a little direction. And then support it with the bottom lip with a thicker line below it, like that. And always look to make adjustments if you need them. Here, I think, we can use a little more mask for the chin. Yeah, just a touch. See, just a little bit makes a difference. Now, so here's the eye line. We'll put one ear on this side. People sometimes have problems making them symmetrical, the ears. But look, you have the line already. Same thing on the other side. And you can give a little triangle, a square, a dot, anything. A little interior contour like this. So now, everything looks nice, affable, normal. What's going to make her really, really cheerful? The hair. The hair is going to be the thing that gives her the personality. So, I'll show you what to do. Bring it out here, kind of ignore the contour here, bring it in here, and we'll build it up. Rarely do you put the hair directly on the construction. So we're going to build it up and make it kind of random here, but that's not even the whole thing. I mean, that's kind of nice right there, but we're not going to stop there. Let me just make this a little bit tapered, right? What we're going to do is put a little scrunchie here, put a little scrunchie there, and like this. Really wild here. Kind of like it has electricity. Now I want to bring that smile up a little higher so that it matches the hairstyle. Yeah, I think that, to me, I think that gives her a certain pow that she didn't have before. And let's have some fun here and shade it in. Now you could bring it down this way and have it look like it's widening out, if you like, a little more style to it. Yeah, I think that works, because we just laid it down quickly. But now let's bring it down, give it an angle. A little shadow under the chin. And the reason for that is light comes down this way and casts a shadow just under the chin. So it makes it look a little more solid. You can also add a little thickness here. And even a little touch of an open mouth like that. Ooh, she's like, ooh, I like that. Isn't that nice? It's fun. And we see it's that burst there of the hair that makes her look like her. It could be the eyes, could be anything. Remember, try to limit it to 1 or 2 prominent things, and the rest, pretty regular. I hope that was helpful, and I enjoyed doing that for you. I hope you enjoyed it, and see me next time. Bye-bye.